Hey friends, if Ethernet works but not Wi-Fi on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check if your computer supports Wi-Fi at the first place. Now, one may ask that these days every computer will support Wi-Fi, but here's the thing, that's not the case with desktop computers. They don't have the adapters for it. And the simplest way to check it is search for Device Manager, open Device Manager, expand the list for network drivers. Do you find the wireless LAN card here? And if not, then just go to amazon.com. Okay, amazon.com and search for Wi-Fi adapter. Okay, or you can check Best Buy or anything that you want. I'm just stating because I wanted to. And then you can buy one of the these adapters like these. It costs $17 or $20 or something. The next one is to check for the Wi-Fi physical switch on the keyboard. Now earlier there was a very specific physical switch, but these days they have a new system, function key plus one of the function keys to switch it off. The next one is to make sure that your system is in the range of the wireless network. Okay, and if not, then bring it a little closer, because when an Ethernet is connected, there's no point about the range. But when you are using Wi-Fi, then the range becomes important. After that, check if the wireless adapter is enabled. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Now right click on this and select if it's enabled. Even in general, if it shows in green, it is enabled. And the next one is to run the network adapter troubleshooter. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side, select advanced network settings. Go to system, scroll down and click on troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters and then click on run corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter. And then the last one is to update the network drivers. How would you update the network drivers? So here's what you have to do. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for network adapters. Right click on the MediaTek Wi-Fi one and select Update Driver. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.